2.5 hours.
3 hours.
It's protecting us.
Yeah. So a lot of bright blue light. Mexico. On the way to see dolphins.
Excellent service.
The water.
It's like in the middle of nowhere. Nice. No.
We're on the way to amazing
Adventure.
adventure. Last adventure of our trip in Bali this time. We are going to see dolphins. I have no idea where exactly we go. I have no idea where we stay because why?
Because I am doing everything and you're only like thinking about coffees and being like, pate.
About my matcha. Dream trip for girls. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome, baby. She's only worrying about like taking a coffee like in a place like this.
Babe, you're pretty.
In the way to go there from Canggu to Lovina, 2.5 hours driving. Thankfully, it was like nice weather during the trip.
Yeah.
And look at the vibes here.
Nice driver. Hello. How are you? Good. Can we sit somewhere? We'll sit there. I see it there.
Nice and cozy as you like.
Oh, there.
And what are we doing here?
We are resting on the way to see dolphins.
It's colder than in Canggu than anywhere because it's like we're climbing the mountains.
Oh my god!
Allah, yes. Friendly, not aggressive.
What is
Magic.
peanut?
John and Robert. Make the tea.
Thank you.
Also the bed, peppers, if you're scared. Yes. Almost 7 years with me.
Wow.
No, darling.
Mexico.
Mexico, but around the world are very happy because they make like what is that?
He's warm. And it's okay for... She's looking at me like that.
To make
Hello.
for the next one.
Maybe she's beautiful.
Gonna find.
Look, this is our way to survive in Bali. Like we were like totally fine 5 minutes ago. Now we need to wear our raincoat. We got drought, your rain, now here.
Just was
Wow.
adventures somewhere in the middle of nowhere.
You could see our map. It's like in the middle of nowhere. In between the mountains. Woohoo!
What a curva.
Oh, it started to rain again. A puppy! Wow, the sea! Wow!
This is everything.
We came, we arrived. Huh?
How much time? 3 hours.
Look at you, let the hell your hair, baby. You feel devastated.
We need a swim and massage.
We're almost.
Let's go to the beach.
Yeah, let's go.
Or we after food?
No, now.
Now?
No, thank you,
It's
thank
a
you.
thank you. The white dog is
It's protecting us.
yes,
The white dog?
yes,
Nice. So it's a friend of ours now.
yeah.
So babe, first impressions of the beach?
It's a nice beach, no one, and boats are waiting for us to see dolphins. The doggies park, yeah, super chilly. No tourists at all, no people.
No.
Yeah, people are chilling in the hotel now because it's in the middle of the day. It's like 3 o'clock. Maybe they go out like at 4 or 5, closer to sunset for sure.
We will figure it out.
Amazing sunset.
Yes,
here,
yeah, I know.
This side,
I know.
through,
Hello. Mexico! I would like for the shootings. Hello.
Yes.
Wow. You see?
Okay. Out. Friendly people.
Good morning. Now we're having a race to we're having a race to know which one has the best dolphins in the boat. So this is like sunset. We were on the meeting point at 6 a.m. So it was like a nice ride to go. And yeah, look. We're having this boat. It's just one row, but with some stabilizers. We are still in Lovina Beach. You can see it here? Okay. It's time to swim. With the bright sun. Yeah. Someone points to somewhere and it's like all the boats were coming to the center. Yeah, all of us. All of us hunting dolphins now. Crazy. Look. We're all talking like our first dolphins. Oh my god, they're like 12. Come on, us.
You want here in the bed of the wall?
Nice. They're right, baby. Many dolphins. Many dolphins everywhere. Hello. We just finished seeing the dolphins. I was swimming with them. I think you already saw the images.
Luis was shouting under the waters about because of the excitement.
It's impressive. Amazing
At the same
experience.
time, I saw him up the water, on the water, and he watching that. It was super nice.
Wow, it's totally worth it. We came like 2 hours driving but it's amazing. It's totally worth it. Really, really, really. Victoria was impressed because we were looking at some plankton.
I saw a lot of bright blue lights under the water, and it was not like a shrimp or a medusa. It was like plankton. The driver told us, yes. And there are some foods then where they show only plankton, which is crazy.
Now we're going to have some snorkel. It's supposed to be like 25 euros. Considering
25 for everything, right?
yeah, 25 for two of us.
Like taking the boat, swimming with dolphins, watching dolphins, snorkeling,
Snorkeling.
right? Breakfast, three. Yeah, if you go a little further than Canggu, like you see, prices dropped twice. A lot of nature, a lot of things to explore. People are super friendly, super welcome. I like people here in this area. They're like, wow, they always say hello, hi, how are you? They're like naturally very welcoming.
See how the snorkeling goes? Oh, more fishes. Oh, you know the tricks. Yes, please. Yeah, I will connect. Super. Wearing the black jacket while seeing this. Jump or not jump?
Jump or not to jump?
Yeah. Excellent service. Excellent service. He picked us.
We have picked up.
We have picked up.
I'm holding
When did you decide to be in Bali? Called in Ale? So don't fall down. What happened here, Rosita?
Hey, you can tell me on.
We are on a lunch break after 40 minutes drive.
But look, the place.
Like it's like summer garden palace blah blah.
Wow, it's amazing. Yeah, it's everywhere. Whoa, really? Wow.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Do you food?
Thank you. So yeah, food arrived. You saw it, and this is like the YouTuber's life. Also, oh, Ah, it's slowly
He
cooking
can
there.
make my soup less hot, baby. Obviously, he didn't.
And we are still been shooting.
What do you have, baby? You have Japanese.
I have
chicken-
Japanese chicken curry.
Chicken
I love
curry.
this with white rice.
I have Vietnamese spring rolls, and I have tom yum with rice. And we have two desserts.
Ah, yeah, you will
Manga
see
sticky
that.
rice
You will
and
see.
Balijan pancakes with coconut.
Everything at the same time.
I love Asian food so much. Like all my favorite things here.
Yeah. Also, yeah, with the desserts. It's only missing my coconut milkshake. You will
only,
give it
only
perfect.
missing coconut too.
We need to show you this dessert.
My favorite. I tried this local Indonesian crepes with coconut. With coconut.
Inside, yeah, shredded.
It's my first time. I fell in love. Like my always favorite dessert is manga sticky rice, and this is
The thing is, it's very complicated to have them, the two things, in the same place. Like,
How
it's
big
not,
is
is the place where we live in Canggu is not that common. These green things.
yeah. I don't know why.
It's not that common. It's mostly common in Ubud. Mango sticky rice is normally everywhere, but it's very difficult to find two things at the same time. And also, if you find those things, it's very difficult to them be
eat.
available to them.
We eat them at the same time, but since
Awesome.
we're together, we eat them.
And so this is like cream, coconut cream, something.
Coconut cream.
Coconut cream. And nice. Let's try. So yeah, don't and buy us, please. Looks so amazing.
Where should I watch? There. And I'm happy that I can eat both at the same time.
Coffee's coming.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
With art,
Yes.
this is for the children. How beautiful.